In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the password on your Mint Intuit account. If you want to update your password for security reasons, or simply because you forgot your old one and want something easier to manage, this process is pretty straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to do once you're signed in. To begin, go to the Intuit account's sign-in page. Once you're there, sign in using your email address, phone number, or user ID, along with your current password. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you have more than one Intuit-related profile. After you've successfully signed in, look for the Sign In and Security section in your account settings. This is where Intuit keeps the main security controls for your account, including password settings and other sign-in options. Open that section and then locate the area labeled Password. When you find the password section, select Edit or Change Password depending on what appears on your screen. This will open the form where you can update your login credentials. First, enter your current password. This step helps confirm that it's really you making the change. Next, type in your new password. After that, re-enter the new password in the confirmation field to make sure there are no typing mistakes. It's a good idea to choose a password that is strong and unique, something that combines upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols if allowed, while still being memorable for you. Once everything is filled in correctly, click Save. At that point, your new password should be applied to the account. In some cases, Intuit may ask you to verify your identity before finishing the update. If that happens, check for a verification code sent to your email address or phone number associated with the account. Enter the code when prompted to complete the process. This extra step is a normal security measure designed to protect your information and prevent unauthorized access. After the password is changed, it's a smart idea to make sure you store it securely, especially if you use a password manager. Also, if you're signed in on other devices, you may need to log in again using the new password. And that's all it takes to change the password on your Mint Intuit account. Follow these steps carefully,